Hi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to share a simple secret on how to lose weight fast with the use of a very effective supplement. Before I continue, I would love to appeal to you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on my post notifications. Healthy weight loss has never been an easy goal. With millions of people suffering the harrowing effects of obesity, the importance of a sustainable, consistent weight loss process really cannot be overstated. Obesity can be a deadly problem. Heart disease, diabetes, and a number of additional issues result from being overweight. Shedding fat, then, is a matter of life and death for many people. Physicians regularly warn of scam weight loss supplements. Every few years, new supplements and special formulas pop up, promising to help people lose 50 pounds or more in a short amount of time. But even the most perfect weight loss routine can sometimes fall short. For these times, supplements can fill the gap and help you lose those additional stubborn fat pounds. The right supplement might help consumers to look and feel their best, as losing weight can most certainly have this effect and improve your quality of life in the process. BioFit is one solution which claims to be a completely legit and effective weight loss supplement. How does BioFit work? BioFit works similar to any other probiotic supplement. The supplement gives your body the probiotic strains it needs for gut health, and you enjoy various benefits. The BioFit sales page is filled with people who enjoy powerful benefits after taking BioFit, including 1. Lose up to 72 pounds of weight with no significant changes to diet and exercise. 2. Safe with no reported side effects. 3. Natural probiotic ingredients. 4. Eat all of your favorite foods while still losing a significant amount of weight. 5. Take 1 capsule per day. 6. Backed by 180-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. BioFit Pricing. BioFit is priced at $69 per bottle, although the price drops to $59 per bottle or $49 per bottle, depending on the quantity you order. 1 bottle, $69 plus $9.95 shipping. 3 bottles, $177 plus free US shipping. 6 bottles, $294 plus free US shipping. Get BioFit directly from the official website only for the biggest discount and for your safety. The link to the official website is given in this video's description. Bonuses included with BioFit. As part of a recent promotion, all BioFit purchases include 3 bonus products, including 2 books and access to an online platform. Visit the official website today through the link provided and enjoy a rapid and smart weight loss. Thanks for watching.